the weaknesses in the material archaeology of the biblical world is in recreating the day-to-day lives of the people. Some daily articles made of more perishable materials do not survive in abundance, and without a written explanation of everyday life, it can be difficult to know with certainty how some objects, spaces, and life issues were dealt with. One of the weak spots in our knowledge is how ancient Israelites dealt with issues of hygiene and sanitation. Living as a human, we all have experiences that allow us to know what concerns the ancients needed to deal with: body odor, general cleanliness, laundry, human and animal waste, dishes, cleaning of the home, and garbage disposal. While our knowledge is not exhaustive, we do get help from the archaeological record. For issues of personal cleanliness, laundry, and body odor, ancient Israelites had both religious and social motivation. Socially, it's very human that people wanted to mask unpleasant odors, and thanks to written sources, we know that perfume, incense, and bundles of aromatic spices were commonly used to sweeten the air. Israelites also had the added motivation of the law of Moses that commanded ritual purity, bodily cleansing, and the laundering of clothes after various bodily functions. If they were inclined to follow the law, we can safely assume that their bodies and clothes met water and a cleaning agent more often than they would have otherwise. In regard to ritual purity, scholars studying the four-room house, a style that is bound to the presence of the Israelites and was the predominant floor plan for Israeli homes throughout the time period of the judges and kings. They have noted that these houses, with their central rooms that provide access to all other areas of the house, allow not only for greater privacy, but were also ideal for observing the purity laws of the Old Testament. For privacy, a person did not have to travel through other rooms of the house to reach their destination, but could have access to all areas of the home from the central room. The advantages of this arrangement for ritual purity is that members of the household experiencing temporary ritual impurity could move around the house without coming into direct contact with others, and also be able to keep up with their daily routines. This is in contrast to other societies whose ritual purity laws forced unclean members to live in temporary shelters away from the main home. While general waste disposal likely varied from city to city, several ancient toilet seats have been discovered. In the city of Jerusalem, 2 of these seats were found still in their ancient place, each over a cesspit. When archaeologists examined the remains of the cesspits, they revealed what a difficult situation ancient Jerusalem must have been in during the days leading up to the Babylonian destruction. And for our interest today, they revealed that liming agents were dumped into the cesspits to facilitate breakdown and sanitation of these ancient latrines. It is believed that these types of accommodations were probably reserved for the upper classes of society. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this spotlight, please like it, share it with a friend, and leave us a comment below on what you thought. Also, don't forget to click the bell and subscribe for the latest Bible Discovery content.